So hi students, as we all know the board examination are just around the corner, so we need to buckle up. So we are starting with the third lesson as I have already uploaded first two lessons of your first flight book. So the third lesson is two stories about flying. In this video we will be covering up your first part, which is his first flight. In this part there is a family of seagull, which is a bird. So here the young seagull is afraid to fly, as his siblings have already learned how to fly, and the parents are enjoying and celebrating their first flight. And here on the other side, the young seagull is very afraid that his wings are not going to support him when he will jump off the cliff. So he is kind of scared, and he is there for 2 days on the same ledge while seeing his whole family enjoying, eating, and celebrating their first flight. So his family has scolded him, supported him, even they have threatened him that they will let him starve for some days if he will not try to fly. But eventually he couldn't muster up enough courage to jump off that cliff. But later, when he was actually there on the ledge, starving for 2 days, later on he discovered that his mother came towards him with a scrap of fish in her mouth, and the sight of food maddened him. So he became mad after seeing that his mother is coming and she has a piece of fish in her mouth. So he jumped off the cliff because she stopped out of his reach. So out of the starvation or the hunger, because he's very hungry, so he just leaped out from the ledge and he starts falling. And soon he discovered that he can fly. His wings started the motion, and he was flying on the river, and he was very happy. The parents supported and they cried in joy, and they all celebrated his first flight. So the moral or the theme we can say from this lesson is, you have to face your fear, and you have to muster up your courage to face your fear, and then you will see that how easily you are going to overcome that fear of yours. And we need support, we need scoldings. Sometimes the scoldings and the threatening is also a kind of support which your peers are giving to you. So don't misunderstand that, and with support and love we can conquer anything in our life. I hope this lesson is clear, and if you